Hey, this is Darwin.
And Josh.
We are here to share your SSI in the news headlines for this week. Josh, up first.
Yeah. So over the past several years, we've seen an uptick in single-use medical devices, and this is definitely true with the pandemic last year as well.
Exacerbated it.
And so one of the main reasons that we've seen this is it helps decrease the spread of infectious diseases and also reduces some of the logistical challenges that are required for sterilizing reusable devices. Some industries have actually seen an uptick of almost 500% of sales.
That's huge. So I'm going to piggyback off of that, certainly relevant to the pandemic and disposables. Nonin is a global leader in non-invasive medical monitoring. They just announced 2 new disposables, a sensor as well as a wrist strap for their wrist OX2 pulse oximeters. Again, this is going to help in terms of patient safety and infection control, and it's typically mainly going to be focused on pulmonary rehab, oxygen testing, and overnight sleep studies.
Our next article has to do with Pegason Group, and they have a thin layer that's applied to different medical devices. And it was actually found that this film has great antimicrobial properties and was recently independently classified for ISO standards for biological endotoxin properties. So this will aid in both implantable as well as external devices and just help increase their safety for the patient.
And sticking with orthopedics, I'm going to focus on the FDA just recently approved the first 3D printed bone replacement from Additive Orthopedics. It is for the talus bone, which forms a part of the ankle. It is a humanitarian authorization exemption for this particular product because less than 8,000 people actually deal with AVN. However, it's extremely painful and they have limited options. Additionally, on the bottom of that article, it talks about novel devices, and the FDA had a record number, I believe about 132 novel devices that were approved in 2020.
And speaking of FDA and on the same topic of bones, so it's been known for years through studies that high impact exercise can help stimulate bone health and bone density.
Yep.
And so it's also been found that certain vibrations at a certain frequency can also stimulate that growth. NASA's been using a similar technology with their astronauts to keep them safe in healthy in a zero gravity environment, and the FDA just designated a similar technology as a drug-free alternative that can help with osteoporosis. Not only has helped with bone density, but it's actually helped increase some of the density in older patients.
Finishing up our In the News headlines, we're going to focus on kids. We certainly love kids here at SSI. The last article focuses on medical devices for children and the need to fast track products for them. In the past decade, 24% of medical devices that the FDA approved have had pediatric applications, and most of those are for kids 12 and older. So an interesting article, and then we'll finish up with something that we're doing to support Shriners Children's Hospital.
Yeah, so check out the link. It'll be below. We're doing a bracket challenge because it's Miracle Madness. There's 3 different bracket levels where you can donate to the Children's Hospital.
You pick the race car driver that you want to win, and you can win awards and help kids.
We've been over this. That's May. This is March.
It's basketball.
Basketball.
Check out all these articles in the link below. Be sure to follow us on our YouTube channel for
Miracle Madness
and additional news, opportunities, and skills training. Thank you.